guys, this is just a quick video to show you how I pull fence post. It may work for some, it may not for others, but this is just something that I found works very effectively and easily, and it saves your back. If you've ever pulled fence post, you know they can be a bear. So let's get into it. First, what I like to do is I drill a hole in the post. I use a stepper bit. I always have a separate stepper bit and the background as well. This time it was a spiral, but I'm going to use the cheap one from Harbor Freight, and we'll see how that works at first. Watch your wrist. And I drilled just about 1.25 inch hole, and that's going to allow a chain and a hook to be hooked into the post. The great thing about this is that you can hook this to your bucket on your tractor, or you can hook this to the hitch on your truck. That would work as well. Something that you need to know is whenever you have fence post is that the ground grows back around it and it becomes very, very strong. I don't have a huge tractor. I have a Coyote CS2210, which is the smallest compact tractor that you can probably get. It's only around 22 horsepower. So I like to prepare the post, and I just dig around just a bit just to help it loosen up that soil, loosen up the dirt just a bit. And now I'm ready to get the tractor out. Alright, now I've got the chain hooked up to the bucket, and I'm just going to start pulling up. I take my time with this. You can see it just came loose, and let's just go ahead and pull it all the way out. Alright folks, and that's it. We've pulled the post. We can move it wherever we want to. And I did this to about 15 different posts that day, and it saved me probably 4 hours in digging and time and back breaking.